Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want buyers automatically added to your Substack list. If you are monetizing content and even digital products together, then can buyers is more than powerful actually. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna talk about how to connect Gumroad to Substack fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So Substack doesn't have deep native automation like any other tools. So you will need Zapier or webhooks. So you can basically automate this platform, which may be that way. So let's get started by going all the way to Zapier.com, looking for Gumroad here. Now select our Substack app. So we have Subzap by Zapier, Subpage. Okay, let's go for Substack. Substack. For example, we won't be able to access it here. So you can basically just go to make.com. It's another platform. Okay, AI workflow automation. Now the trigger is a new set in Gumroad. Connect via the API key that you're gonna find on Gumroad. Settings, advanced, then copy the API key. Now the action is add subscribers to Substack via email subscription action. Map the buyer's email, test the automation, then publish it. Now every buyer joins your Substack automatically. As for a pro tip, tag paid product buyers differently from free subscribers, so you know who to target if you ever wanna basically sell another product. And that's the whole idea. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.